Number 1. 1968 Ford F-250 pickup, $4,500, Riggins, Idaho. The 1968 Ford F-250 is a rugged classic work truck, powered by a 360 FE V8 engine, paired with a T18 4-speed manual transmission and 3.73 rear gearing. This rear-wheel drive pickup reportedly starts, runs, drives, and stops properly while remaining mostly original, which is highly desirable among vintage Ford truck enthusiasts. Finished in green paint with only a few small rust spots, the truck appears structurally solid overall. Ford F-Series trucks from the late 60s are respected for their heavy-duty construction, simple mechanics, and timeless styling that still looks tough today. Number 2. 1965 Chevrolet C10 Longbox, $3,500, Moses Lake, Washington. The 1965 Chevrolet C10 is a classic long bed pickup with strong restoration potential and authentic vintage charm. Powered by a rebuilt 283 V8 engine and paired with a Camaro Source 3-speed manual transmission with floor shift, this truck reportedly runs and drives well. The seller mentions minor issues, including non-working turn signals, but notes that rust is minimal, an important advantage for a truck of this age. Chevrolet C10 pickups from the mid-60s remain highly collectible because of their clean body lines and excellent aftermarket support. Number 3. 1958 Ford F600, $1,500, Central Oregon, Oregon. This 1958 Ford F600 is a serious vintage commercial truck built for hard labor and durability. Powered by a 292 V8 engine, the truck starts and runs well and recently received a brand new starter. Its drivetrain setup includes a 5-speed transmission, 2-speed rear axle, and additional Brownie auxiliary gearbox, giving it impressive hauling capability. The seller notes solid cab condition with original interior panels still intact after 67 years. Although the brakes need inspection before long-distance driving, this former cattle hauling truck remains a fascinating piece of American trucking history with enormous restoration or farm use potential. Number 4. 1965 Chevrolet C20 Big Window, $4,500, Sacramento, California. The 1965 Chevrolet C20 is a desirable big window model featuring the larger rear cab glass highly sought after by collectors. Powered by a V8 engine and automatic power glide transmission, this long bed truck retains its original paint and reportedly has remained off the road since 1997. The seller describes it as a second-owner vehicle with a clean California title. Mid-60s Chevrolet trucks continue growing in value because of their attractive styling, dependable drivetrains, and strong customization potential. Number 5. 1973 Ford Courier, $2,500, Medford, Oregon. The 1973 Ford Courier is an unusual and highly modified compact truck with impressive custom engineering. Originally a rebadged Mazda pickup sold through Ford dealerships, this Courier now features a Mitsubishi G63B engine and 5-speed manual transmission swap from a 1987 Mitsubishi Mighty Max. The truck currently does not run because the cylinder head is cracked, but the seller states the carburetor is properly tuned and the truck performed well before the issue. Additional upgrades include custom exhaust, Weber carburetor, hydraulic clutch conversion, and newer tires. Compact imported trucks from the 70s continue gaining popularity because of their lightweight design and unique vintage character. Number 6. 1978 Datsun 620 King Cab, $1,500, East Wenatchee, Washington. This 1978 Datsun 620 King Cab is being sold strictly as a parts truck, but it still carries major collector interest. The seller highlights the truck's extremely rare factory 5-speed transmission and tachometer-equipped gauge cluster, features highly valued by Datsun enthusiasts. It also includes a dealer-installed under-dash air conditioning system, another uncommon period accessory. Although the truck lacks a title and has a broken odometer, the Datsun 620 remains one of the most beloved Japanese compact pickups ever built because of its durability, lightweight design, and growing collector following. Number 7. 1976 Chevrolet Luv Mikado, $250, Tacoma, Washington. The 1976 Chevrolet Luv Mikado is a rough but potentially rewarding restoration candidate. Powered originally by a 4-cylinder engine and manual transmission, this rear-wheel drive compact pickup currently has a seized engine that has already been removed from the truck. Despite its salvage condition, the seller emphasizes its strong restoration potential. Chevrolet Luv trucks, originally built by Isuzu for Chevrolet, have become increasingly collectible because of their compact size, lightweight construction, and growing popularity within the vintage mini truck community. Number 8. 1947 Ford Pickup, $11,000, Santa Maria, California. This 1947 Ford Pickup is a beautifully preserved post-war American pickup featuring the legendary flathead V8 engine. The truck reportedly remains completely stock with no upgrades, preserving its original driving character and historical authenticity. Finished in naturally weathered green patina paint, it carries the type of honest vintage appearance many collectors now prefer over fully restored examples. Ford pickups from the 40s are respected for their simple engineering, timeless styling, and major influence on early American truck culture. Number 9. 1979 Chevrolet C20 4x4, $4,500, Rock Island, Washington. The 1979 Chevrolet C20 is a capable heavy-duty classic equipped with a 400 cubic inch V8 engine, turbo 400 automatic transmission, and NP203 transfer case. The seller states the truck runs and drives well, with recent maintenance including a carburetor rebuild, tune-up, new front calipers, brake lines, and master cylinder. Additional upgrades include a Stage 1 shift kit and newer tires with very low mileage. Although the truck has rust in common areas, the cab reportedly remains leak-free. Late 70s Chevrolet four-wheel drive trucks remain highly respected for their durability and off-road capability. Number 10. 1975 Dodge D100, $4,400, Fremont, California. The 1975 Dodge D100 is a solid vintage Dodge powered by a dependable 360 V8 engine and automatic transmission. The seller reports that the truck runs and drives well while maintaining a clean title. Located in California, this pickup benefits from being exempt from state emissions testing because of its model year, an advantage for classic vehicle ownership. Dodge D-Series trucks from the 70s have developed a loyal collector following thanks to their bold styling, durable drivetrains, and lower production numbers compared to Ford and Chevrolet competitors.